Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the top 7 motorcycles, perfect for beginner riders in 2024. Number 7. BMW G310R. The BMW G310R presents an entry into the premium motorcycle segment for beginners, offering an outstanding build and experience at an accessible level. Powered by a 313cc single-cylinder engine producing 34 horsepower, it provides a lively yet controlled ride, ideal for new riders craving performance with manageable power. BMW's craftsmanship shines in the G310R, with its solid build quality and quality materials that enhance longevity. Designed for comfort, the G310R features a well-cushioned seat and an upright riding position that makes it suitable for both city and highway riding. Real-world usability is enhanced by its intuitive handling and lightweight frame, making it easy to navigate through traffic. Its LED display is crisp and modern, reflecting BMW's attention to detail in design and functionality. The exhaust has a pleasing hum that adds character without being overwhelming, blending well with the bike's minimalistic yet stylish design. Priced around $5,190, the G310R delivers a premium experience in a beginner-friendly package, making it a solid choice for riders who value quality and performance without stepping into higher displacement models. Number 6. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 stands out in the beginner segment with its aggressive styling and engaging performance. With a 321cc parallel twin engine putting out 42 horsepower, it delivers a bit more power than most entry-level bikes, giving new riders a taste of thrilling performance while remaining approachable. Known for its solid build quality, the MT-03 feels robust and well-constructed. Comfort is a priority, with an upright seating position and easy-to-reach handlebars that reduce strain, making it ideal for urban and highway riding. Handling is responsive, and the lightweight frame ensures easy maneuverability. The bike features a modern LED display that offers easy readability and adds to its futuristic look. The MT-03 produces a sporty exhaust note that enhances its overall appeal, adding to the bike's aggressive, street-ready aesthetics. Priced around $4,999, the MT-03 is an excellent value for beginners who want a bike with a bit of edge and excitement. Number 5. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 brings retro charm with a strong sense of simplicity and comfort, making it an ideal choice for beginners who appreciate classic aesthetics. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine producing 20 horsepower, this bike offers a smooth, predictable ride that new riders will find confidence-boosting. Build quality feels solid, with a durable frame and components that lend a premium feel at an affordable price. Designed with comfort in mind, the Hunter 350's wide seat and relaxed ergonomics encourage a relaxed posture, perfect for long commutes or leisurely rides. Real-world usability is enhanced by its light handling, making it easy to navigate city streets or winding country roads. The bike features a stylish LED monitor display that provides essential information clearly and complements its vintage-inspired look. In terms of sound, the Hunter has a deep, mellow exhaust note that's unmistakably Royal Enfield, subtle yet distinct. Its design is both rugged and refined, with details that pay homage to the brand's heritage. Priced around $4,199, the Hunter 350 combines affordability, style, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent starting point for beginners who crave simplicity and character on two wheels. Number 4. Honda CB 300R. The Honda CB 300R merges a sleek neo-retro design with the dependability that Honda is known for, creating an appealing option for beginners. With a 286cc single-cylinder engine delivering 31 horsepower, the CB 300R offers a smooth, linear power delivery that's perfect for new riders. Its lightweight frame and quality materials give it a robust yet refined feel. Comfort is key here, with an ergonomic design that supports an upright riding position, reducing fatigue on longer rides. The bike's handling is sharp and responsive, suited for city commuting and weekend rides alike. A bright, clear LED monitor display keeps the rider informed with essential data while adding to the bike's modern look. The CB300R's exhaust has a clean and refined sound, enhancing the riding experience without being overbearing. Its aesthetics blend retro-inspired lines with contemporary touches, appealing to both young and mature riders alike. Priced at around $5,149, the CB300R offers a blend of style, comfort, and performance, making it a versatile and rewarding starter bike. Number 3. KTM 200. Duke. The KTM 200. Duke is a fantastic starter bike for those seeking an energetic yet manageable ride. Equipped with a 199cc single-cylinder engine that delivers 25 horsepower, it provides just enough power for beginners to feel the thrill without being overwhelming. Known for its lightweight build, this bike features KTM's signature aggressive styling, instantly appealing to new riders with a sporty edge. Build quality is excellent, with a robust frame and quality components that feel sturdy. Comfort is balanced well here. The 200 Duke seat may not be the plushest, but its upright riding position is comfortable for most riders. Handling is nimble, and the bike's compact dimensions make it incredibly easy to maneuver in urban environments. The LED display offers a bright, easy-to-read interface, packed with key info like speed, RPM, and fuel level, adding a modern touch. KTM has given the 200 Duke a distinct, raspy exhaust sound that adds a level of excitement to every ride. Its edgy aesthetics, defined by sharp lines and bold colors, help it stand out. Priced around $4,199, the KTM 200 Duke provides excellent value for its performance, making it a thrilling yet accessible choice for beginner riders looking to enter the world of KTM. Number 2. Suzuki GSX 250R. For new riders drawn to sport bike looks but desiring a friendly riding experience, the Suzuki GSX 250R is a perfect pick. This model houses a 248cc parallel twin engine that delivers 25 horsepower, striking a balance between beginner-friendly power and sporty aspirations. With smooth handling and predictable power delivery, the GSX 250R helps new riders gain confidence on the road. Built with Suzuki's reputation for reliability, this bike feels well put together, with quality parts that enhance durability and build quality. Comfort is a strong point here. The seat height and handlebar position offer an ergonomic fit for longer rides. Its sporty yet upright riding position is ideal for city and highway travel. The bike's LED display is compact yet informative, displaying key stats for easy access while riding. The GSX 250R's exhaust note is refined, blending into the bike's sleek aesthetics, which feature sharp fairings and a streamlined profile that give it a sporty appeal. Priced around $5,099, the GSX 250R is an affordable, stylish, and reliable option for beginners who want the feel of a sport bike without the intimidating power, making it a smart choice for first-time riders. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 tops the list with its blend of performance, style, and accessibility. With a 399cc parallel twin engine delivering 49 horsepower, it provides ample power that's still manageable for beginners. Kawasaki's reputation for quality is evident, with a well-built frame and premium components that make it feel more advanced than a typical starter bike. Comfort is well-balanced, with a slightly aggressive yet comfortable riding position, suited for those who want to explore sportier riding styles. Its lightweight build and agile handling make it easy to control, whether navigating city streets or winding roads. The LED monitor display is crisp, modern, and user-friendly, adding convenience to the riding experience. Sound-wise, the Ninja 400 offers a satisfying exhaust tone that contributes to its sporty character. Its sharp, stylish design reflects its sport bike DNA, appealing to riders who love the look of a race-inspired machine. Priced around $5,899, the Ninja 400 provides beginners with an exhilarating, stylish, and high-quality option, making it the top choice for new riders who want the full sport bike experience, without the intimidation of higher-powered bikes. Thanks for watching our top 7 motorcycles perfect for beginner riders in 2024. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.